MD's Kitchen foodies, how are you doing? I am happy, 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 and happier when I see your delicious meals being posted every day. I would like to make mention of two things before I share with you my recipe for a rich coconut bun. I got the name MD from a friend of mine many years ago, where she would always call me MD on Facebook. Shortly after, everyone followed the same pattern. Her name is, well, I know her as Patricia Campbell, but she goes by Raquel Lambert. Hi Patricia, thank you so much for helping me name my business. And the next thing I want to talk about is a post which was posted by Kim Fraser Bristol of some fruit buns she made. The picture was the perfect picture of fruit buns. I loved it, and I asked her to submit to us the recipe she used, her recipe, which she did. Thank you so much, Kim. Because of her submitting her recipe, a foodie in the group, Marcel London Chichester, tried it shortly after she posted it, and her fruit bun looked so much the same. So thank you so much, Marcel, for trying the recipe that was posted. So guys, you see how useful posting your recipe can be, because someone who would like to try what you have posted and not sure of what to do can follow your recipe and get whatever it may be done perfectly as well. Thank you guys. Here are the ingredients to make the coconut buns. In this bowl, I have 4 cups of sifted self-raising flour, 1 cup of margarine, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of grated coconut, 1 cup of evaporated milk. I have a piece of nutmeg, which we will grate and put into the mixture for flavor, and some lemon essence. Let's get started with mixing the buns. So here I have my self-raising flour, and to it I will add the margarine, Then I will rub it into the flour with a fork. You can use your hands to rub it into the flour, but I'll use the fork. Then to this, I will add the sugar, to the mixture. Mix that in. Then I will add my grated coconut. Mix this in also. Then I will add some grated nutmeg to this mixture. Average of half a teaspoon. Mix that in as well. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of lemon essence to the milk. Mix it in. Then I will add the milk to all of the dry ingredients that we have combined here to make a stiff consistency. If you like, you can add eggs to this mixture, but I will not be adding eggs to mine. Stir the milk in. When this is properly mixed in, we will spoon it out into the muffin tin, into a grease muffin tin, and bake. We should get about 10 to 12 of them. You can also drop them onto a baking sheet, the cookie sheet. I will show you what it looks like before I put it into the oven to bake. Okay, so here I would have greased my tray, my cookie sheet, and I would have also greased my muffin tins. And now I am spooning it into each hole. I thought I was gonna get 12 out of this mixture, but it seems as though I will get less. Let's see how much we will get out of this. And I want to get some flat ones, so I'll leave that tin empty, and we're gonna spoon onto the tray to get some nice flat ones. So okay guys, this is a nice snack. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it in any time of the day you like, and you can enjoy this with a cold glass of milk or any of your favorite beverage, whether it's Moby, ginger beer, your local drinks, or aerated. This is a small one. Yeah. So before I put this into the oven, I will decorate it with some cherries and maybe some sprinkles. I have a little sprinkle in the bottle. I may very well even put it on them. So we just decorate it with a cherry, so when it bakes it looks nice and not plain. When I'm done doing all of this, I will put it into the lit oven. The oven is light there, and it's on mark 220 degrees Celsius. So here's what our coconut buns looks like after 30 minutes of baking. You see that? The inside is nice and fluffy and creamy, and the buns are nicely colored too. Do enjoy this recipe. I would like you to try it and let me know how your coconut buns came out. Please send us pictures in the group so that we can see them. And do remember to share my page and invite your friends to join the group. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.